Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your name on a Gmail account. So any emails you send through Gmail, you can actually change your name to say who it's been sent from. So if you find this video helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if we come and open up our internet browser, and what we need to do is come across to our Gmail account. And the first thing we need to do from here is in the top right hand corner, we need to click the little cog icon, the settings icon. And then we want to click onto the see all settings box. And that's going to bring us to our settings. From here, in the top menu up here, we need to click onto accounts and import. And you'll see a bit on the page, it says that this option here, send mail as. And you can see currently any emails that are sent from this email address are going to be sent with this as the response, the email address you can reply to. And it'll be signed by Digital Tutor. To go ahead and change this, all you need to do is click the Edit Info button down here. And you'll see there's a box underneath Digital Tutor, so I can change that to anything I want. So I could put, for example, d.tutor yt as an example. And then all I'm going to do is click Save Changes. And you'll see that's now changed the name here. If you want to change the email address, then you'd have to click to add another email address. And you would simply input the new email address and change the name to whatever you want. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if you did, just drop a quick like on the video, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below. And what you'll be able to do is click that and buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.